Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Zillow how to add co-applicant. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do in order to add a co-applicant on Zillow Rental Manager is head over and open up your app, and then once you're here, what you need to do is log into your account if you already have it, or if you don't have, create a new account. Now once that's done, navigate to the property listing for which you want to submit a rental application. Click apply now on the property page. Fill out the necessary information about yourself like name, contact info and rental history to begin the application. During the application process, Zillow Rental Manager will prompt you to add co-applicants if you are applying with someone else. Look for the option to add a co-applicant or invite co-applicant. This will allow you to add another person to your application. You can add a co-applicant by entering their email address, and Zillow will send them an invite to complete their part of the application. Once the co-applicant receives the invitation, they will be prompted to log in or create a Zillow account. The co-applicant will then fill out their portion of application, which may include personal details, income verification, background checks and credit checks. After both the primary applicant and co-applicant complete their sections, review all the information provided, submit the application to the landlord or property manager. After submitting, you and your co-applicant can track the status of the application, including whether it has been reviewed or whether you are selected for the rental. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.